Have you ever wondered why sports nutrition is crucial, especially for girls? It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Proper nutrition is the fuel that powers our bodies, enhancing performance and speeding up recovery time. It's a vital component of overall health, helping maintain a healthy body weight and promoting radiant skin. But it's more than that. It's about nurturing our bodies, giving them what they need to thrive. Understanding and maintaining proper sports nutrition is the first step to a fitter, healthier you. Now that we know why sports nutrition is important, how can we maintain it? Let's start with the basics. Sports nutrition can be boiled down to 3 key components: a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and timing your meals. All 3 work together to ensure your body has the fuel it needs to perform at its best. First up, eating a balanced diet. This is not about counting calories or avoiding certain food groups, but about understanding the role of different nutrients in your body. Proteins, for instance, are the building blocks of your muscles. They aid in recovery and growth. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. They fuel your workouts and replenish your energy stores. And don't forget about fats. They're not the enemy. In fact, healthy fats are crucial for energy and hormone production. So aim to include a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in your meals. Next, staying hydrated. Water plays a vital role in almost every bodily function. It helps regulate your body temperature, lubricates your joints, and transports nutrients to give you energy. When you exercise, you lose water through sweat, so it's essential to drink enough before, during, and after your workouts. Remember, if you're feeling thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Lastly, timing your meals. When you eat is just as important as what you eat. Eating a meal 2 to 3 hours before you exercise can provide your body with the energy it needs. A smaller snack closer to your workout can top off your energy stores. And eating within an hour after you finish exercising helps replenish the energy you've used and aids muscle recovery. Keep in mind that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. So listen to your body, experiment with different foods and meal timings, and find what works best for you. By following these steps, you can ensure your body gets the fuel it needs to perform at its best. All right, let's recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the significance of sports nutrition and how it's not just about looking good, but feeling good too. We've also journeyed through a step-by-step guide to maintain it, showing you how to fuel your body right for optimal performance and health. Let's make these steps a part of our daily routine, because every little change adds up to a big difference. Remember, sports nutrition is not just about performing better, it's about living better. Here's to a healthier, fitter you.